My name is Bud Lauria, and I'm a general manager and partner of Lauria Auto Group here in Port Hope, Ontario. We're a small community, about 18,000 people. Lauria Auto Group consists of Lauria Hyundai, Lauria Volkswagen, and an ownership stake in Northumberland Collision Centre. My father and business partner started a Pontiac store here in town in 1984. Today we operate Lauria Hyundai and Lauria Volkswagen. Myself, I'm a dealer kid, but I'm a deep-rooted dealer kid. I started washing cars and sweeping floors when I was 12 or 13 years old, and there's not a position in the dealership that I haven't seen, so I know very well how important each and every step in the process is in a dealership. So we're a medium-sized dealership. Between the two stores, we have about 50 employees. For the past 35 years, our business model or business plan has been to provide outstanding products and service and an outstanding customer experience for our clients. We want the best for our customers, which is why when we built the Volkswagen store, we took things into account such as level 2 and level 3 EV charging, as well as an automated car wash for our customer use as well. When we built Lauria Volkswagen, we knew that we wanted to incorporate some sort of a wash system. At first, we looked at it just to take some of the burden off of our employees as far as car washes. But what we quickly realized is that there was an opportunity here to provide fully automated car washes to our customers as well. And so we decided to take that next step and put a retail plan in place as well. So today we operate a car wash that not only helps us with our day-to-day business, but is also available to the public between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. 365 days a year. We see a lot of traffic through the door, traffic that are not necessarily our customers. Approximately 85% of the car washes that we do are retail car washes, so people driving in, whether it be from word of mouth, internet advertising, print advertising, we do a bit of radio as well. So 85% of the people that are coming in for a car wash are retail customers, and so we see a lot of foot traffic to the door that we wouldn't necessarily be entitled to. These are customers driving late model vehicles from various other dealerships in the area. Really, we see really any make or model coming through the car wash. I mean, when you run a dealership, it's all about traffic. It's about service traffic. It's about sales traffic. We want to see all the people that we can. We want to talk about our wonderful product, our wonderful customer experience. So any way that we can put ourselves in front of a customer is a bonus. And so with an additional 500 to probably 700 people driving through the lot and going to the car wash every month, that gives us a whole lot of people that we can talk to if they decide that they want to have a look at a vehicle while they're here. Customers that come to the car wash can either come inside and pay by cash, credit card, debit card, and get a car wash code. But we've made it very easy for our customers. We've got a pay station at the car wash. They can pay by cash and they can pay by credit card and obviously use the codes as well. So very convenient for the customer. We don't actually have to be open on a Sunday. The dealership is closed. Car wash is open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and the customer still has full access to the pay station and the car wash. We also offer multi-pack cards where a customer could purchase blocks of 10 car washes, 15 car washes, 20 car washes, and we offer a discount when purchasing multiple washes like that. I couldn't tell you the number of times I've had customers email me, call me, walk up to me on the street saying, hey, you know what, I heard about your car wash, I tried it, it was absolutely fantastic. We see the customers come out of the car wash, they'll stop, they'll get out, they'll walk around their vehicle to make sure that it did a proper job, and they're almost always ecstatic with the job that it did. Mark VII's been great. Our relationship has been strong. We've worked with them now for approximately 2 years. They've been very proactive in providing us contact information for every person that we would need on their team. Everybody's a phone call or an email away. They've always been very professional, courteous, attentive. Any odd time that I've had anything happen with a car wash, they've been fast, gotten us back up and running usually within a couple of hours. We're very fortunate to have two very strong brands. We've got a large portfolio of vehicles, fantastic looking vehicles, and so when a customer buys a vehicle like that, pride of ownership is obviously a big part of their decision. We want our customers that, when they go to their vehicle in their driveway in the morning or when they walk back to it at work in the parking lot, we want them to be proud of what they're seeing, and so pride of ownership is a huge thing for us and our customers.